outside. I am enjoying in the rainy season. See, I am using umbrella to protect myself from rain. Wow, I am enjoying so much. What you should eat during the rainy season? See what I have. I have corn. I'm going to eat it. Oh wow, I'm enjoying it so much. Now, whenever you go out, what you should use during the rainy season? Umbrella or raincoat. Okay? Now, see, it's raining outside. I'm enjoying in the rain. What do you see during the rainy season? Now, this is the scene when it rains. See, everyone is so happy. Can you see? There are this lotus also, fishes also. These are so happy. Everywhere, where what it is? Greenery, greenery. Now we are going to see the rainy creatures. Which creatures we see during the rainy season? See, this is what? Mama frog, and this is what? Baby frog. They are very, very marvelous. Okay. Now, this is what? Snail. You must be also seeing this snail during the rainy season. Now, what is this? Peacock. Can you see this peacock? Yes, very awesome peacock it is. See, peacock loves to dance during the rainy season. When it rains, peacock loves and he always loves to dance in the rainy season. You know the peacock is a national bird also. Can you see these clouds? See these clouds. They are also very happy. Now see this spot, rainbow. We see rainbow during the rainy season. Okay. Now can you see the drops of water? क्या है ये पानी की बूंदें आपको दिख रही है? देखो और फिर क्या है ये? Frog. He is also so happy. He is jumping. Now see mushroom. We see mushroom during the rainy season. Okay, can you see so many mushrooms are there? We see mushrooms during which season? During rainy season. Now see caterpillar also. We see caterpillar during the rainy season. Now this is what? This is the very, very awesome view of a rainy season. I am enjoying. Are you? Now remember, whenever you go out in the rain, there are some precaution you should take. You should not drink water directly. You should boil the water before drinking it, because during the rainy season so many germs are there in the water. But while you are eating any fruit or vegetable, you should wash it and then only you should eat. Do not eat open food. Always eat the food which is covered. These are some of the precautions you should take during the monsoon season or the rainy season. Okay? Now you have to enjoy the monsoon. See how am I enjoying? Now can you see what I'm wearing? I'm wearing raincoat because of the rain outside. See, I'm wearing raincoat. This is also what? Rainwear. And in foot, what we can wear? We can wear this gum boots to protect ourselves from the rain. See, this is what? Raincoat. This is what? Gum boot. Okay? Now, I'm going to show you the things which we see around us. We'll start. See, this is what? Boat. Children, see, these children are playing and they are making the boat. See, what is this? The children, they are wearing raincoat. And what they are taking? Umbrella. They are enjoying in the water. Okay? Now, what is next? See, this is what? This is also a boat. Pitter patter raindrops, pitter patter raindrops, falling from the sky, falling from the sky. I'm myself dry, to keep myself dry. Out in the rainfall, out in the rainfall, I'm going to play, I'm going to play. Splashing in the water, this I like to play, this I like to play. When the rain will stop, when the rain will stop, the sun will grow, the sun will grow. Little plants and flowers will grow and grow, will grow and grow. Pitter patter raindrop, pitter patter raindrop, falling from the sky, falling from the sky.
Shanti Juniors.